Discussing the artificial insemination in vitro. In vitro fertilization with couple responsible for test tube. No sperm nor ova. In vitro fallopian tube by gamete or blastomeres is transferred into fallopian tube. In vitro uterine transfer IUT and rest test is transfer in uterus IUT. In vitro fertilizing it is method in place whereby with gamete transfer in the body. Such method due to conceive pregnancy and done to transfer into the fallopian tube. Fallopian tube transfer placed directly in uterus. In cytoplasmic sperm is used and fertilization is done by embryo development in sperm used injected in uterus, direct uterus. In uterus insemination test PUT into uterus. It is costly method and done into big cities only. Official and obligation is restriction due to it. Today I am discussing ecosystem in soil. It affects the vegetation, then to the climate, then to the fauna, flora. The ecosystem, the genome contain local varieties too in Rajasthan. More sunlight, many microorganisms, some forest temperature. Soil is main region and cultural variation. More abiotic temperature. Temperature is measured in Fahrenheit and centigrade up to 3 degrees centigrade. In Siberia contain 7 degrees centigrade temperature varies to plants. Effect of temperature, effect on organism, effect on growth and development, effect on incubation period, and effect on many climate and it affects to the closure and open of stomata. Effect of photoperiodism, it affects to the flower formation and fruit formation. Distribution of plants effects on microorganism. Effect on light on development, maintenance on growth. No photosystem is absent and light and photoperiod in flowering. Effect on pigmentation. Effect of light on organism are as ignored in whole life of an absence of light. Effect of light on repetition. Effect of light on different colors.